Well, welcome to Portland. That's what's going on right now. As the sun and all that yellow is smoke on the sky, on the ground. I'm right now on a mountain, and look at that. Look at that. It's just crazy. That's just crazy. It's all filled up, and I specifically made this with yellow filter so you can actually see right what's happening. All that. In a moment I'll switch to regular. Yeah, that's just crazy. Let's see. Usually over there in the distance you will see Mount Hood. Nothing. Look at that. Nothing. It's really filled up. That's just crazy. And even like in my apartment in Calidor, in my own unit, the stench of smoke, burning sun, is just unhealthy air today. Yesterday I was just only the skies, and today it's just all the smoke. And it's supposed to be clear sky today, and it actually, besides the skies, went down to the ground. Crazy how thick that is. You know, with my glasses I can basically see the same thing what you're seeing right now of this filter, because the camera sometimes cannot catch the whole aspect what you can see with your own eyes, so you gotta go with filter. But yeah, look at that. All that yellow is smoke from all the states. Our state, Washington State, Idaho, Canada. That's just crazy. Yeah, we call this mountain that I'm on right now Mountain of Love, but it calls something else. But it's where all the kids go. And over here, coming up, you usually see downtown. You usually see downtown. Cannot see nothing. Just maybe some trees. Technically, you would see a downtown of Portland. And look at that. Nothing. Just trees. That's crazy. Alright, let's switch to regular. You can see it too. Yeah, look at the sun. Now it's a regular video. No filters, no nothing. Look at the sun. It is crazy. All that smoke. Same thing. It looks like it's fog, but it's not. It's all smoke. Not only on the sky, but in the sky, but on the ground. Look at that. That's just. And actually, over here on the mountain, it's actually nice for some reason. Like you can see, I thought I'm gonna come here and it's gonna be all filled up, but it's not. Down there we have our airport, Portland Airport. Like you can see all that smoke, smoke everywhere. And if without the zoom, you can see how down the distance, all this, and even on the ground, there's a smoke. That's the bridge between Portland and Vancouver, all the way down there. Look at that smoke just covering the whole area. The whole Portland, the whole Vancouver, Washington. Here's the airplane, so you can see the difference. I imagine those passengers gonna come out and smell all this. That's just crazy. Yeah, look at that. I mean, I can smell the smoke, but there's no smoke clouds or whatever you want to call it over here on the hill. I guess I'm in between. Look at that. Look at that smoke. Oof. And like I said, usually you can see in my hood over here, but there's nothing. It's all covered with smoke. And today is supposed to be clear, and it's not. Crazy. Look at that water tower. Wow. Just wow. Oh yeah. Smells burning trees. So yeah, that's what's going on in Portland, Oregon. All right, now I'm driving on freeway, Portland. I can see how in the distance you can tell that there's a lot of smoke. Instead of seeing hills clearly, it's all smoke, baby. And it stinks too. And it's day 2 of Portland being covered with smoke. Yeah, it usually was going to the other side of the United States, away from us, but yeah, now we're covered because it seems to be pushing everything towards ocean, and now we're covered with all the smoke. Just yesterday was better, much better than this. It was just the sky. Now it's on the ground. Just wondering what's gonna be tomorrow. All this Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Canada, all in flames right now. That's just nasty, nasty. Even if you're in your apartments, in your house, it's all gets inside, and it's just, ugh. Look at that.